number 3 says suppose J is between H and K. You have to figure out a few things. Figure out what X is, what HJ is, and the measurement of JK is. And then also determine whether or not J is the midpoint. So we give you a hint, which is draw a diagram. Do that, draw a diagram. So here's my diagram, and J is between H and K. So H and K are my endpoints. A mistake some students tend to make is they tend to assume that since J is between H and K, that means it's exactly in the middle. Well, we don't know that. So I'm gonna make it so that it's off center, so it's not in the middle. Okay, so then now what do I know? I know that the measurement of H to J is given by this expression, 4x minus 7. From J to K, it's given by this expression, 2x minus 3. And I'm told that the length of the whole segment is equal to 68. So you've learned something called the angle addition postulate, which says this, that if you take HJ and take the other part of the long segment JK, add those together, you end up getting the length of the whole segment, HK. So this is going to guide me in terms of setting up my equation. What's the measurement of HJ? Is given by 4x minus 7. What's the measurement of JK? Is given by 2x minus 3. And they tell us that HK is equal to 68. So at this point, we have ourselves an equation. It's probably a 3-step equation. Let's combine like terms. 4x and 2x, and this is my left-hand side. This is my right-hand side. So what's 4x plus 2x? That's going to be 6x. What's negative 7 minus 3? Negative 10 equals 68. So a couple more steps, and you can get your answer. 6x is equal to 78. That means that x is equal to 13. So I know what x is. So I can go back. X is equal to 13. Now I got to figure out the measurement of HJ. But that's easy because I just got to plug in 13 in place of x. So 4 times 13 is 52. 52 minus 7 gives me 45. That's the measurement of HJ. And I got to figure out the measurement of JK. So you can do this a couple of different ways. Let me just use the expression. So JK is equal to 2 times 13 minus 3. So 2 times 13 is 26. 26 minus 3 is 23. So then this is going to be 45, and that'll be 23. You can check to see if your answer is correct by looking at the fact that 23 and 25, when they add together, they should give you 68. And you'll see that they do. Okay, now the final part, we have to state whether or not J is the midpoint. Well, if the length of HJ is 45 and the length of the segment from J to K is 23, we know that J is not the midpoint, because if J was the midpoint, those two segments will be equal. So is J the midpoint? No. And if you're told to or asked to explain, you would simply say that the measurement of HJ is not equal to the measurement of JK. If it were, that would make J the midpoint, but since it's not, then we say no.